In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add ERC20 tokens to Trezor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can easily manage your ERC20 tokens and deposit them into your Trezor. To do this, you will need to use Trezor Suite, so make sure that your Trezor is connected to your PC. Usually this will be done with a USB cable. After it is connected, open up the software or the tool here, and you will be able to add ERC20 tokens by choosing the plus sign at the left side of the screen and creating an Ethereum wallet. If you already have an Ethereum wallet, then you can just go to it instead, but if you have never created one, do it now. Once you have the Ethereum wallet created, you will be able to add ERC20 tokens, so you can clearly see here in the description. Now, when you choose the Ethereum wallet at the left, you will have the overview, and most importantly, you will now have access to tokens, so switch from overview to tokens. In here, you will be able to manage all of the ERC20 tokens that you have on your Ethereum wallet. So now you can choose these three dots and then choose the option to add a token. In here, you can paste the ERC20 token address, and after you add it, it is going to appear on the list. If you still need to acquire that address, you can go to places like Etherscan and look for a specific one. So for example, USDT, you look for it here. Once you find the one that you wish to add, click on it, wait for the page to load. And once you find it, you will have the token contract here. You can copy it, input it into the field, and it is going to be added. Then you can copy your Ethereum network receive address and use this to receive any ERC20 token. I hope I was able to help you on how to add ERC20 tokens to Trezor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.